Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Super. Haven't covered this in a while. The market structure has also been kind of neutral and boring, maybe even in the last couple of days. But I was watching it. We took a trade on it this morning with the Signal group. If you don't know that I have that, I post all of my trades in there. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. I will not tell you again. That's up to you to check out. In this video, we'll talk about Super. So the thing is that Super was, it has been very bullish, right? I mean, it went up a ton. Also took a trade on this earlier already. But then what happened? I mean, Super itself has some big things coming, I believe, in January, but just in general in 2024. Has some great backing by some good guys. So, a project like that is always worth the watch. And then, again, I mean, what we've usually seen, and I'll tell you this again, but I've said it countless times, and I've showed you countless times in videos as well, is that usually when you have a rally, and you make a top, and then the price dumps down, which we did with Super, gets into a consolidation, and then forms a new uptrend, new bullish market structure, which we have been doing. Here you can see the EMAs provided more support, and we got some higher lows and some higher highs with a breakout. And usually if we then test that top again, usually we break through it. All right, so that's, that's just something I've observed, all right? But right now we still have to prove it. But Super itself, I mean, it was also just purely technically, was consolidating down here. Main resistance level was 0.65 cents. So when it broke above that, the break retest was a good trade to take, I think. So right now, Super is still bullish. It's one of the strongest performing cryptos in the last 12 to 24 hours, I believe. And the open interest is good as well. Open interest spiked up yesterday evening, then dropped down a bit. That's when the price retested 65 cents. But since then, has been bullish again, has been growing. So at this moment, while I'm making the video, Super is very bullish, I would say. I almost wanted to say super bullish, but I won't. So now, in my eyes, the big question is, look, there's a ton of resistance here, between like 74 cents all the way up to 78 cents. 74, 75 is by far the strongest, all right? So that's the level we need to worry about most. But what I expect is that Super will get into that level, all right? So it will test that level. But then the main question in my eyes is will it be able to break above that level to eventually get up to this price target here at 90 cents? That would be my main price target for now. That's a 0.382 fib of a previous Fibonacci level from some time ago, so that's pretty strong. That's my main price target. And at this moment, we just got a bullish breakout. Open interest is increasing, and Super looks very bullish. So obviously at this moment, I'm going to tell you, I do think it will get there. I think we'll find resistance here at this level between 75 and 78 cents. But I think from there, we'll be able to hold some sort of support at either 70 or even at 65 cents. I assume 70, 68. But that will find support there, and that will eventually, somewhere next week, maybe break above 78 cents and rally up to that level around 90 cents. I think that's most likely. I mean, like I said, at this moment, it's easy to say this because we just got a bullish breakout. The price is almost at that level, and the open interest is gaining. Now, if for example, Bitcoin starts falling rapidly, and if the open interest and the volume start falling down as well, then we have lost momentum, and then something like this might not happen. Then Super could just drop back down towards 65 cents and consolidate here. That's a possibility. And I will keep you updated on that if you want that. But at this moment, it really is most likely it will spike up, find resistance, and then continue later on. So those are my thoughts. I'm biased, all right, because I'm long on this, so you should know that. But I do think it's backed up by some good statistics and some good technicals. But those are my thoughts, all right. So if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.